Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you,
Baby, hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
just you,
Baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this look for Coachella. This is in case you're going. If you're not, then okay. So today I thought about doing a holographic look. Honestly guys, I felt inspired by my backdrop, so I'm like, you know what, I just gotta do something that kind of goes with that. So this is what I came up with. I came up with a super bright lip. Now I know this thing looks matte, but it's honestly like metallic. Now this is one of LA Splash new colors right here, guys. This one's called Runic, and I decided to adding some other stuff to my face. As you guys can see this right here, this is not glitter whatsoever. Along the process of the video, you guys are gonna see the products that I'm using, and you're gonna be amazed of what I'm using on my face right now. So anyways guys, so let's just get started on with the video. And again, I'm gonna ask you guys before anything, make sure that you subscribe and you turn on that notification, the little bell. Turn it on, because you guys will not know when I upload, and that sucks. Unless you guys go in your YouTube, unless you guys are bored and then you guys go on YouTube and then you guys just see my video there, yes. But if you guys want to be notified once I upload, do turn on the little bell right there. Make sure you subscribe, and let's get on with the video guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful freaking holographic crazy look for Coachella, then I suggest you keep on watching. I am using the Zacatecasbaby Artist Pro Water Resistant Concealer Palette. This right here, this is one of my holy grails guys. Seriously, it looks beautiful. Now today I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Party Girl After Hours palette right here. This one right here, you guys see like holographic. So I'm gonna be using this palette today. My sister actually gave it to me. This bitch gave it to me all broken, stabbed. There's like little fingers here of my niece. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. So for my transition color, I'm gonna be using this color right here, this one right here, and that's what I'm gonna be using as a transition color. Okay.
Anytime you whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it on repeat, girl. But me not touch a dollar in my pocket, 'cause nothing in this world ain't more than what's worth.
Okay, so now that I'm done doing that, we're gonna go in by cut creasing. Now I'm still kind of getting the hang about the whole cut creasing thing, so I'm gonna be going in with my Zacatecasbaby palette, and I'm going to be cutting the crease. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, doing this like really takes practice guys, really. So now that I'm done doing that guys, and it doesn't even have to be perfect, I'm gonna be taking this brush right here, and I'm gonna be just blending it out. Okay, so now that we got that, we are gonna go back with our BH Cosmetic Party Girl palette, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here, which is this purple, this one, and I'm gonna be, I just stabbed the crap out of my shadow, and I'm gonna be getting a smaller brush, this one right here, and I'm just gonna be kind of giving my crease and outline. Okay, so now that I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take my brush, this one right here, and I'm just gonna blend that.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, come on. Okay. So now the next color that I'm going to be taking is the same color that I use as my transition color. And I'm just going to be adding all that to my lid. Now the color that I use is this one right here.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl.
Now, I'm going to be going back and I'm going to be getting the same purple, this one right here. And I'm going to be applying that on my crease. So I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm going to be blending that color out like this.
Just you, baby.
What I'm gonna be adding is these things right here. I actually got these for my nails, guys, this right here. And I'm gonna be adding some of these little, I believe they're like either like little really small fine plastic, kind of like little like dust. I can't really explain it, guys, but this is how they look like, and these are actually for the nails. Now I'm gonna be adding these to my eyes, but I would really suggest, guys, like do this at your own risk, because the thing about this is that these are like little plastic, you know, like little pieces for the nails. Of course, these do not go in your eyes, but you know my ass, I don't care. I'm gonna be putting this on my lid just to kind of give it, you know, like this holographic effect. But if you guys do decide to do this, be very careful, because this right here has like very, I mean, it has big pieces, but it really kind of goes down to really small pieces, and that could actually hurt your eye. Now many of you guys are probably gonna be like, why the hell is she showing us how to do this if, you know, if you're not even supposed to be putting this in your eye? Well, let me tell you guys, I'm telling you guys how I do my makeup, you know, what's working for me. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna be placing this on my eyelid. Now if you guys do decide on doing this, be very careful, do this at your own risk. But basically what I do is I get, if you guys could see, this is how they look like. They're like they're very fine. So what I do is I'm gonna be wetting my brush, literally soaking my brush, almost my brush, and I'm gonna be applying that on my lid, just kind of like nice, like putting a lot of pressure when I'm applying them so they could stick to my lid. If you guys could see, I'm gonna be doing the same. You just gotta be careful with this, because again, guys, these are very loose, and these do not belong in your eye, to be honest. They don't. So I'm just gonna be putting some right here. Now you wanna make sure that the product, you know, the little things are wet. You don't want them to be dry, to be loose, because trust me, they will go in your eye and it's gonna really hurt. And now we're gonna be going in with the white liner, and the white liner that I'm using is by NYX right here. Now we are gonna be doing like if you guys could see right here, I'm not even gonna be filling it in, you know, I just actually liked how it came out, so we're gonna be doing that. So you guys could either, you know, like fill in the eyeliner, or you guys don't have to, but me, I wanted to change it up, so I'm not gonna fill it up all the way. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Palette. Now this is all holographic, guys. This is why I got this. Beautiful, look at this. You guys see this? So this right here is like all holographic colors. So I'm gonna be using Blue Ice, and I'm gonna be putting that right here for my highlight. So I'm gonna be taking a fan brush. Where the hell's my fan brush? You know what? I'm not gonna take a fan brush. I'm gonna be taking this one right here, And I'm just gonna be dabbing that in there. Now I'm gonna be spraying my brush up just so I could give it like a more glowy effect. Can you guys see that? Now this is gonna be super intense, but who cares? We're just gonna kind of like rub that in there. You guys see that? And rub that in there like that. Then we're gonna be taking a smaller brush, this one right here, and I'm going to be taking the same one, which is Blue Eyes. Spray my brush, and I'm gonna be applying some right here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be applying mascara. You guys could top this look with eyelashes. I'm too lazy to put eyelashes on. Too lazy. So I'm gonna be applying mascara only. What I'm gonna be doing right now is I want to add a little bit more sparkles. You know, I want to go all out. I want to add a little bit more sparkles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back with my little set right here, exactly what I used on my face, and I'm gonna be putting that on my cheek as well. And I'm gonna be applying this right here, like this. Like this right here. Can you guys see that? Now I just got like the greatest idea of all. I'm not gonna be using this though on my not really near my eyes because it's so loose and it could really cut your eye. See, it could really cut it. But can you guys see this? So what I'm gonna be putting on, I'm gonna be getting one of my glitters. Let's see what glitters right here I have this one right here, which is a Trolls collection. This one's called Transparent Teal. I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be getting one of these brushes. I'm gonna be using this brush right here that I use to apply my shadow, and I'm gonna be putting this in the inner corner of my eyes.
Me and you, girl, you and me.
So now that we have that done, guys, I'm gonna be using LA Splash liquid lipstick. Now, if you did not see my haul last time, I actually got a package from them, and I was able to show you guys exactly what I wanted. What I got. And I actually received where is it? I actually received this color right here. Wow. I received 4 liquid lipsticks from their line, and one of them was this color right here, which is like a purple, and this one's called Runic. So I'm gonna be using this today, my first time ever using this today for this look. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be applying this one, and this one's called Runic. We'll see how it works. Damn, this is super bright. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.